Hello there! Today we're gonna try 6 to 10 Ghanaian food, African food, freshly made straight from the garden. Come with me, let's do this. Very interesting. Abom. On the countryside, we grow fresh vegetables. That's what we're doing today. Good morning. Look at that peaceful environment. You know how it is when you get up and the weather is so good. All you do is just dance. Go girl, go girl. Okay, so we are going to do some what? Barbecue? Well seasoned chicken and fish. With some hot dogs, of course. Right, we're gonna grab some okro straight from the garden and make some okra soup. Look at that. Habanero peppers, fresh. This video is fresh. So we have habanero peppers, zucchini, tomatoes, bell peppers, just name it. I'm gonna leave this okra soup in the description box. The recipe is so easy, simple, and delicious. Let's go to another recipe. Straight from the garden, fresh vegetables. We use them for egg sauce, egg stew with fried plantain. Don't you just love this? And our favorite jollof rice. Check in the description box for the recipe. Green soup, Ebunuebunu. Very healthy and healing soup. This is called abom. Spinach stew, contemporary stew, alava sauce. We're gonna do some fried rice, some turmeric fried rice. Simple and easy. Own local jollof rice, charcoal jollof, smoky jollof rice with some herrings, amane jollof rice. Hey, don't you just love this? Breakfast. Hey, zucchini, egg, something. Hey, delicious, Casa. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye.